Here's how you can make glass in Icarus. Now the first things that you're going to need is pretty much the concrete furnace right here. If you check over the detect tree and go over to tier 3, you can find the concrete furnace right here, which can be made inside the machining bench over on the first part of the branch. Now, over here in the machining bench, the concrete furnace should cost you about 12 pieces of iron ingot, 8 pieces of rope, 12 pieces of epoxy, and 20 pieces of concrete mix. With that in mind, you also need the concrete mixer right about here. You can make the concrete mix either through tree sap, stone, silica, or tree sap and crushed limestone. Go back over to your tech tree. Alright, once you have learned the concrete furnace, you should have unlocked the recipe to make glass. Now once I interact with the concrete furnace right here and press F, over here on the left side, I can make glass out of one piece of silica ore. Alright, once I've placed down the silica, it should be making some glass right here as you can see. And that's pretty much about it on how to make glass in Icarus.